Hi, welcome to Everhot. I'm Graham, and in this film we're going to show you how to use the boost function to heat up the top oven very quickly on your Everhot cooker. So this is common to all of the cookers, it doesn't matter which model you have. And what you can do is use the grill automatically to raise the temperature in the top oven. Now, to do this, you need the cooker to be in either the time deco mode or the full power mode. It won't work with it being in full eco. And you need a 20-degree differential between your target temperature, which is displayed here, and your actual temperature, which you can check by using the 2-button push. So push and hold the up and down arrow simultaneously, and that gives you the exact temperature in that oven. This is really useful if you've been baking, down at 180 and want to come up to a roasting temperature very quickly, or if, for example, you want to make bread. And need a hot top oven. So if we put it up to 240, just simply using the up arrow, you can see the red lights now come on, so it's heating. So that's going to take 20 minutes or so to adjust, but you can push and hold the power button, it'll cycle through off, and now you see the grills come on. The grill light's flashing, all the other zones have just dimmed for a time, and now it's saying boost. And that'll automatically use the grill to get the oven to your target temperature.